Well, here we are at Boling Air Force Base, and apparently somebody damaged the bar and then they tried to fix it. So if you want to come over here and take a look at this. I'm very, very disappointed here. So look at this. Somebody patched it in with looks like a piece of plywood or something, with a bunch of crappy screws underneath. But we're going to take this out and we're going to match it all back up, sand it, fix it. But overall, this bar this is its 7th season. So overall, this bar is looking really well. Alright, this just needs a good sanding and some finish work. We're good to go. Little TLC. Judy, all that needs is to be sanded real good.
Okay, same thing. John's going to stay down there with you, Kev. I got to run to another meeting.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.